Welcome back to Homes Decor Designs, your one-stop shop for all things interior and exterior design. Today, we'll share with you the transformative power of pergola design with drapes for stunning outdoor living space. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. A pergola, an architectural outdoor structure, has long been admired for its ability to provide shade and define a space. When adorned with flowing drapes, it undergoes a metamorphosis, evolving into an enchanting and versatile outdoor living area. The interplay of light and shadow, coupled with the softness of fabric, creates an ambience that is both inviting and sophisticated. In this discourse, we shall delve into the intricacies of pergola design with drapes, exploring its myriad benefits, decorative possibilities, and practical considerations. A pergola adorned with drapes is more than just an aesthetic enhancement, it is a functional and stylish addition to your outdoor space. Drapes serve as a versatile element, capable of transforming the pergola's character to suit various occasions and moods. By strategically placing drapes, you can create intimate corners, define different zones within your garden, or shield yourself from the elements. The combination of the pergola's architectural framework and the soft drapery imparts a sense of elegance and refinement to your outdoor environment. What are the benefits of choosing pergola design with drapes? Pergolas with drapes offer a multitude of advantages. Primarily, they provide shade and protection from the sun's harmful rays, allowing you to enjoy your outdoor space comfortably. Additionally, drapes can offer privacy, creating a secluded retreat within your garden. They can also serve as a windbreak, mitigating the discomfort of breezy days. Aesthetically, drapes add a touch of luxury and sophistication, elevating the overall ambience of your outdoor living area. Moreover, they can be easily adjusted to control the amount of sunlight and airflow, providing optimal comfort throughout the year. How do I decorate my backyard with pergola design with drapes? Decorating your backyard with a pergola and drapes involves careful consideration of several factors, including the style of your home, the size of your outdoor space, and your personal preferences. A harmonious blend of colors, textures, and patterns is essential to create a cohesive look. Consider complementing the drape fabric with outdoor cushions, rugs, and tableware for a unified aesthetic. Experiment with different drape lengths and hanging styles to achieve the desired effect. Incorporate lighting elements, such as string lights or lanterns, to enhance the ambience of your pergola after dark. Remember, the key to successful backyard design is to create a space that reflects your personality and lifestyle. What are the best drape materials for pergola? Selecting the appropriate drape material is crucial for both the aesthetic and functional aspects of your pergola. Outdoor fabrics specifically designed for withstanding the elements are ideal. Consider factors such as durability, fade resistance, water repellency, and breathability when making your choice. Some popular options include polyester, acrylic, and solution-dyed fabrics. These materials offer a good balance of performance and style. For a more luxurious look, consider investing in high-quality outdoor fabrics with rich textures and colors. And to complete your inspiration, hear the compilation of the top 10 best pergola design with drapes ideas. 1. Intimate dining area. Create a cozy and romantic dining space by draping your pergola with sheer white curtains and adorning the table with elegant tableware. 2. Outdoor living room. Transform your pergola into a comfortable living room by adding plush seating, soft cushions, and layered drapes in neutral tones. 3. Tropical oasis. Embrace a vibrant and exotic atmosphere with bold patterned drapes, lush greenery, and colorful accents. 4. Modern minimalism. Achieve a sleek and contemporary look with clean lines, neutral colors, and minimalist drapes. 5. Mediterranean escape. Recreate the charm of the Mediterranean with terracotta tiles, wrought iron furniture, and flowing white drapes. 6. Bohemian chic. Create a free-spirited and eclectic space with a mix of patterns, textures, and colors in your drapes and decor. 7. Japanese Zen garden. Embrace tranquility with natural materials, muted colors, and sheer white drapes for a serene ambience. 8. Rustic retreat. Create a warm and inviting atmosphere with wooden pergola beams, earthy tones, and thick linen drapes. 9. Glamorous outdoor bar. Add a touch of luxury to your outdoor entertaining area with metallic accents, velvet drapes, and sparkling lights. 10. Children's play area. Create a magical and fun space for kids with colorful drapes, playful patterns, and comfortable seating. By carefully selecting drapes and incorporating them into your pergola design, you can create an outdoor oasis that is both stylish and functional. Remember, the possibilities are endless, so let your imagination run wild and transform your backyard into a haven of relaxation and enjoyment. Are you inspired to create your own pergola paradise? Homes Decor Designs can help you bring your vision to life. Contact us today for expert design consultation and to explore our wide range of pergola and drape options. Let's transform your outdoor space into a stunning retreat. Again, thank you for watching this video, hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel Homes Decor Designs, hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.